just because I love free content, we'll keep talking about it. Roll the footage.
The Constitution of the United States of America guarantees due process for American citizens. Illegal immigrants are not entitled to due process because they are here illegally. And when you are here illegally...
Just so everybody's aware, no, I did not cut the video short. That's where his video ends. And when you are here illegally... Zoom, cuts out. Sorry, Tiger, but you're wrong. The Constitution does not guarantee due process to just citizens. It guarantees due process to people in the country. And before you tell me that the founders meant citizens when they said people or persons, let's read the article together once again. Section 1 of the 14th Amendment. All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. So they know what the word citizens are. Right there, first line of this section, they use the word citizens to determine who is and who is not a citizen. All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. Once again, they show us that they understand what the word citizens is by using it again. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. Now, here's where you need to pay attention, Jethro, because here's where things are going to give you a little bit of a curveball. Nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. If they wanted it to be for just citizens, given the fact that they know what the word citizens is, they've used it twice in this section already, they would have said, nor shall any state deprive any citizen of life, liberty, or property without due process. But they didn't. They specifically changed it to person. The founders did this for a reason, and that's because if you are a person within the United States of America, whether you are here legally or not, you are a person who is covered by this Constitution, and you are entitled to due process. And just so that you don't think it's some ignorant libturd from the Chicagoland area telling you this, here it is coming from the most conservative Supreme Court justice of my lifetime, Antonin Scalia.
To whom does the First Amendment apply? Do undocumented immigrants have the 5 freedoms?
Oh, I think so. I think anybody who's present in the United States has protections under the United States Constitution.
That is far-right, conservative Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia saying, anybody present in the United States of America has protections under the United States Constitution, because that's an accurate statement. You can stand in your front yard all solemn-like and pretend like you know what the fuck you're talking about, but you don't. You don't. And I, for one, have never seen a group of people who claim to love democracy, freedom, the Constitution, and the American way of life know absolutely nothing about democracy, freedom, the Constitution, or the American way of life.